Good morning, I'm David Carruthers from Data Explorers, and this is your daily update. First, a little bit of regulatory news. In Holland, the Dutch authorities have extended the short selling restrictions to January of next year. That's in addition to moves we saw in Italy yesterday. There's some stock movements, some big stock movements in the US overnight. Office Depot in particular was up nearly 50%. Huge move, and that's mainly because they've announced that they have a big liquidity line, far more I think than the market was expecting, and they're also going to be halting any store openings and actually divesting themselves of assets. So the market's clearly quite heartened simply by a company bolstering its balance sheet in these times of cash shortages. And we've seen significant short covering in Office Depot. Market cap on loan has come down from around about 6% to 3%, so it's almost halved in the past few weeks. Alongside Office Depot in the same sector, Staples was up 15%, probably partly spillover effect from Office Depot, but they also had a very good analyst call and have confirmed that they too have a strategy which seems to be conserving cash, so that's been taken very positively. We've seen some short covering there, not as dramatic as in Home Depot, but down, market cap on loan down from 4% to 3%. A stock that we mentioned a couple of weeks ago, Colgate-Palmolive, one of the supposedly recession-proof stocks, that was up 7% today, and it's generally been looking quite firm. The short interest continues to be very low in Colgate. Another stock that was up strongly was Galleon Energy, and we've seen some pretty significant short covering from what was a very large short position. So market cap on loan has come down from 35% to 20%. And finally, a stock in the UK, BT, which came out with a profits warning, and the stock is down 24% this morning. The market cap on loan is showing as being very low where BT is concerned, so that suggests that it really was a surprise to everybody. Quite often the short interest is a good early warning indicator if people have had some hint that there may be something coming, some news coming in a stock. But clearly in the case of BT, everyone taken by surprise. I think that's because BT is typically the kind of stock, utility, that would be seen as pretty safe and recession-proof. So clearly that was a big concern to everyone when they came out with the profits warning. Those are the highlights over the past 24 hours. I've been David Carruthers for Data Explorers. Do tune in tomorrow for more news from the stock lending world, and have a look at our website, www.dataexplorers.com. Thank you and have a good day.